Hi, welcome to another daily market forex analysis. Today is the 19th of November. I want to break down some pairs. First of all, starting on the DXY. So we always start on a weekly time frame. As I say every video, especially if you trade in the USD pairs, you need to analyze the DXY first of all. So if you go to the weekly time frame, you want to mark your support and resistance levels. This is where price changes from bullish to bearish and bearish to bullish. Here you can see there's a support level. It's respected it once, twice, 3 and 4 times. Here you can clearly see there's a resistance level where it's rejected it once, twice, 3, 4 times as well. You then go into a daily time frame and mark your support and resistance levels. You can see that this is where price changes from bullish to bearish, or bearish to bullish. What do I mean? Where it forms a high low. Here you can see a red candle and a green candle. It's formed a high low. Here it's formed another high low. I'll change this to red first of all. I like my levels in red. Here there's another support region where price made a high low. Price changed from bearish to bullish, a red candle to a green. And here's your most recent resistance level here on the daily time frame. Once you've done that, you go onto a H4 time frame and you want to repeat the process once again. You're just marking your support levels. So here there's a support level on a H4 time frame, which also falls on a daily. Here is another higher low. Here is another higher low. And then if you mark your resistance level, which falls on a H4 time frame, when price approaches the support region, it goes to the daily H4 resistance. From the H4 resistance, you can expect it to go down to this H4 support. From here, you can expect it to reject it and continue to move within these two levels. If it does breach the H4 support region, which is this one here, we can expect it to breach it, retest it, make a lower high and go down to this level. Then if it rejects it again, it would reject it, breach it and go down. So that's how we can expect price to move from one level to another. Price is currently in between the support and resistance levels. If you look, price is in a downward trend. The momentum is going down. That means we can expect the DXY to go down this week or in the next couple of days, especially on a H4 time frame. So if DXY is going down, that means EURSD and GBP/USD is going up. If you then go on to, so we've done the analysis on DXY. If you go on to EURUSD, start on a weekly time frame, you want to mark your support and resistance levels. So here is your support. You can see it's a support level because it's respected it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Here is your resistance. It's respected it once, twice and 3 times here, and even 4 times. Once you've done that, you can see price is approaching or on a weekly support. We can expect it to go up from here. If you go onto your daily time frame, you want to repeat the process. I can see here clear resistance level, another resistance level, and here's your support level here on the daily, which is close to the weekly. So if you want to, you can include the wick or you can bring it up to the body. In this case, I'll bring it up to the body. It's more accurate. As you can see, price is rejecting the weekly and daily support level. If you go to the H4 time frame, you can see the daily is marked. You can see it's rejecting it. You go to break the price down further by going onto a H4 time frame. We're going to mark each higher high and lower high on a H4 time frame. Here you go. There's another lower high where is resistance. Here's another lower high where is resistance, and here's your lower low which is the support region here. Price will move from one support resistance level to another, and obviously here where it is the weekly support, the daily support, and this H4 support level here. So we can expect price to move from this level to this level here. If it breaches it, it would make a higher low. We would then enter a buy trade and it would go to this level here. We would continue to move. If it breaches it, it would breach it, make a high low, enter a buy trade here to this level. So that's how price can move from one daily level and H4 level to another. So now we can see price is at a daily and H4 support. It will move to here, because remember, DXY is bearish. DXY is going down. It usually travels from one daily level to another. So if the DXY is going down, that means the EURUSD is going up. So that's the analysis done on EURUSD on a H4 time frame. We can then break this price down further by going to a H1. These are my intraday trading levels. So you get the Fibonacci retracement tool, look at the previous day's price action, which is Mondays, and getting a call here, I'll have to reject it. Get from the low of the day to the high. These are your intraday trading levels. As you can see, here is your resistance on a H1 time frame, and here is your H1 support on. You can see that we only enter a trade when it's close to the level on the level. So you could have entered a buy trade on any of these candles, and if you did, you could have made 45 pips. Obviously it would have been a 1-to-1 ratio, or even you could have been stopped out the trade, massive wick. So that would have been the setup. It's getting close to the resistance, it might reject it and go down. It depends on the DXY. Remember, DXY is bearish, so we'll have to wait and see. If it does breach it, where is it? If it does breach the 0%, we would move to -23 and then -61. So there's potential to go here today or tomorrow. We'll have to wait and see how it plays out. If we go to EJ, we'll repeat the process. Weekly support is drawn in blue, weekly resistance is here. You go to the daily time frame. You can see you've got your daily support levels in red, where price has made your higher lows, and here you can see this is the most recent daily resistance. Price always moves from one daily level to another. Price is currently at this daily support. We can expect it to move up to this daily resistance. However, it could also breach. It doesn't necessarily mean that it rejects it every single time. There's a small chance where it can reject it, make a lower high, and go down to this daily as well, or even further to the daily. It's at a daily support level. We can expect it to go up. Let's break it down further to a H4 time frame. If we update the levels now, so you've got here, this is a H4 resistance. Here is another H4 resistance here. Here is your H4 support. Price can reject this H4 support level and go up to this level here. There's also a slight H4 support region here. H4 resistance, sorry. If we then go to a H1 time frame, we can break the price down further to obtain the intraday trading levels. So if you get this Fibonacci retracement tool, get it from the high of the day, look at the previous day's price action, low of the day to the high. Once you've done that, you mark it into your trade levels as so. Price is currently at this H1 and H4 support. This would be my trade setup. If I make a long position, I'd expect it to retrace and I'd enter a buy trade close to the level. So I'm risking 20 pips to make 140. If it goes to here, let me update this Fibonacci tool. So we're going from the high now to the low. If I drag it to the wick, you've got this H4 level here now. This is your H1. If price comes to this level, I'll enter a buy trade to there. I hope you enjoy this analysis. Like, share and subscribe.